this plant is?
No. Salad.
That's a good guess. That's a good guess. So this is called basil. Oh. All right, so right now we're going to use our sense of smell, and we're going to smell the basil leaf. So I'm going to pass these leaves around to you. I squish them up a little bit to release some of the oil, and that's where the smell comes from.
Ew.
So you can take a smell and pass it around. It smells really good. It smells.
Ew.
No, it smells great. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells. It does make your hair smell. All right, and let's get you guys over here.
Garden. Okay.
All right, Maribel, sit on your bottom.
But
Yeah,
no.
sit on your bottom. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, watch your fingers. We only want a basil pesto, not a finger pesto.
Let's turn it
All right, here we go.
I don't want to. That's my salad. Yummy. Looks yummy. I didn't have a try. Looks yummy.
Hi, sweetheart.
We don't want to smash it because if we smash it, it's going to splatter everywhere. So now we only stir.
They smell good.
Charlotte on your bottom. Stella.
I didn't see. Right?
It's like a salad
I
dressing.
showed it to you.
It's like a
Wow,
salad
I
dressing.
got
And this lettuce is called kale. Have you guys had kale
I
before?
had kale before.
These are called snap peas. So these are snap peas, and what we're all going to do, everyone's going to get a chance to
Sit
dip
back.
their vegetables in the pesto and try a bite. Have a couple vegetables.
Choose one.
You can choose a few. You can take a few. Yeah, the sauce is delicious, right?
Benjamin tried.
Yeah.
Put it in
I want to
What's
try
your name?
another carrot.
Taste
Sharon,
more.
did you dip it? Oh, you already had it.
What did we use to make it?
What did you start with?
What was the
flat
green
one.
leaf that we used?
That's it. I don't
It was basil. Basil. We made pesto basil. Basil pesto, rather.
I don't know. It's yours.